is the worst thing about being here, thinking of your homeland?
Well, here or anywhere outside my country is the same. The question is that you cannot stop thinking about your own country.
What do you miss most about it?
No, what I miss, or what makes me really cry, is that we could have been this year, surely by the end of '82, something quite viable. And what are we now? What has it served? The religion? Democracy? Human rights? The rule of the people?